Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for emergencies, having reliable survival gear can make all the difference. From first aid kits to fire starters, these top survival essentials will keep you safe, warm, and ready for any situation. When temperatures drop, staying warm is crucial, and the HotHands hand warmer value pack provides long-lasting heat to keep your hands comfortable in freezing weather. These air-activated warmers are perfect for outdoor adventures, survival kits, and emergency preparedness. Whether you're camping, hunting, or facing extreme cold, these compact warmers are a lifesaver. Check the description below for the best deals on these hand warmers. A lightweight emergency bivvy can be the difference between survival and exposure, and the S.O.L Escape Light Bivvy is designed to reflect up to 70% of body heat while remaining waterproof and windproof. At 82 inches by 32 inches and only 5.5 ounces, it's compact enough to fit in any survival kit while providing critical warmth and protection in harsh conditions. Check the description below for the best deals on this emergency bivvy. A powerful flashlight is essential for survival, and the GearLight OS 2000 LED flashlight delivers high lumens for maximum brightness. Its mid-sized tactical design makes it perfect for outdoor activities, emergency use, and self-defense. Whether you're navigating in the dark or signaling for help, this durable, long-lasting flashlight ensures you're never left in the dark. Check the description below for the best deals on this tactical flashlight. Fire is one of the most important survival tools, and the Coghlan's Fire Stick Pack provides easy-to-use fire starters that work even in wet conditions. Whether you're camping, cooking, or preparing for emergencies, these compact fire sticks ensure you can start a fire quickly and efficiently. Check the description below for the best deals on these fire sticks. A first aid kit is a must-have for any survival situation, and the Ready First Aid 1 07-piece kit is compact yet fully stocked. Designed for camping, hiking, backpacking, and travel, it includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, tweezers, and emergency tools to handle minor injuries and unexpected emergencies. Whether you're outdoors or on the road, this kit ensures you're prepared for anything. Check the description below for the best deals on this essential first aid kit. Whether you need a first aid kit, emergency warmth, reliable lighting, or fire starting essentials, these top survival tools will keep you safe and ready for any adventure. Check the description below for the best deals and upgrade your survival kit today.